Imagine cruising into the future on 3 wheels, with the wind on your face, and the freedom of the open road ahead, but you're not just riding a trike. You're living in it. Welcome to the wild world of the 2027 trike, where camping, mobility, and innovation collide in a mind-blowing package. At first glance, it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Sleek lines, solar panels integrated into the roof, and a body design that screams futuristic efficiency. But what's inside this machine is even more shocking. Slide open the side panel, and boom, instant transformation. A full micro-living space unfolds before your eyes. Bed, mini kitchen, workspace, and even a compact toilet and shower combo, all tucked into this tricycle beast. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a tiny home on 3 wheels, ready to go off-grid for days. Solar-powered batteries run everything from the lights to the mini fridge. And thanks to ultralight materials and next-gen insulation, this thing stays cool in the summer and warm in the winter without guzzling energy. It's perfect for digital nomads, van lifers, or anyone ready to ditch rent and live on their own terms. But here's the part that really turns heads. This trike isn't just eco-friendly and efficient, it's built to turn any street corner into your home base. You can park it almost anywhere a regular bike can fit. Tight alleys, urban jungles, lakesides, mountain edges, it doesn't matter. The 2027 trike is designed for full stealth living. No engine roar. No bulky footprint. Just pure, silent freedom. And let's talk about mobility. Forget clunky RVs and gas-guzzling vans. This electric-powered trike can hit up to 45 miles per hour, powered by a dual-motor system and swappable battery packs that give you up to 150 miles per charge. Charging stations? Optional. With the sun fueling your ride, you're free to wander wherever the road, or dirt trail, leads. What about safety? The frame is reinforced with aerospace-grade aluminum, equipped with gyro stabilization for smooth rides, and built-in smart sensors that warn you of nearby obstacles. It's like having a co-pilot that never blinks. And if you're worried about theft, don't be. The smart lock system only opens with your biometric signature. That's right, fingerprint access for your rolling home. And here's something nobody expected, the community. Thousands of adventurers are already customizing their trikes. Adding extendable tents, rooftop lounges, even tiny greenhouses. It's more than a vehicle, it's a movement. A lifestyle. A rebellion against the 9-to-5, against rent, against being stuck in one place. So if you've ever dreamed of living free, cutting the cords, and exploring life on your terms, the 2027 trike isn't just a dream anymore. It's real. It's here. And it might just be the most exciting way to live, ride, and explore the future. Still watching? Good. Because this is just the beginning. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling us where.